In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Calendly host. Welcome everyone. We're diving into a very handy guide for those of you using Calendly, the renowned appointment scheduling software that simplifies meeting booking processes. Whether you're dealing with client appointments, interviews, or any meeting types across your organization, knowing how to change the host of a Calendly event can be incredibly useful. Maybe the original host is unavailable, or you're restructuring your team's responsibilities. Whatever the reason, let's get into the step-by-step process. First things first, navigate to the Calendly homepage. This is where all your scheduling magic begins. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. You can do so by clicking on the login button, which is easily visible on the home page. Calendly offers a streamlined login process, including the option to continue with Google, a lifesaver, for those of us who prefer keeping our logins centralized. Click on Continue with Google and select the account you wish to use for Calendly if you have multiple accounts. This step is particularly beneficial for keeping your work and personal scheduling separate. After logging in through Google, you'll find yourself inside your Calendly dashboard. This is where you can oversee all your scheduling links, meetings, and of course, where you can change the host of an event. For that, head over to your event types by clicking on Calendly, then click on Create for setting up a new event type or navigate through existing ones. When you're setting up a new event or adjusting an existing one, you'll notice the option to click on an event type. Calendly offers various configurations here, allowing you to customize the event to fit your specific needs, like one-on-one meetings, group sessions, or round-robin setups for distributing meetings among team members. As we proceed, you'll see an option labeled Choose a Host. This is crucial for changing the event's primary host. Click on it and Calendly will display a list of all team members available to host the meeting. Select the new host from this list. Remember, the person you're assigning as the new host should already be a member of your Calendly team. If they're not, you'd need to invite them to join your Calendly organization first. After choosing the new host, click on Next to proceed with the event setup. Here you can name your event. Something concise yet descriptive works best for easy identification by you and your invitees. Following the naming of your event, you will decide on the location of the meeting. Calendly offers flexibility here. Whether your meetings are taking place over Zoom, phone calls, or in person, you can specify the preferred method. Each option integrates seamlessly with Calendly, offering a smooth scheduling experience for both host and attendees. Finally, after setting up your event's name and location, click on Continue to finalize your changes. At this point, your new event is ready, complete with the updated host information. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always ensure that the new host has access to any necessary resources or information to successfully manage the event. Also, if you're using a video conferencing tool like Zoom, double check that the new host's account is linked to Calendly properly to avoid any hiccups. And there you have it. Changing a Calendly event host might seem like a small task, but it's these kinds of adjustments that ensure your scheduling runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're managing a busy team or simply need to reallocate your resources, having the know-how to update event details swiftly is key to maintaining your productivity. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. We covered the essentials of changing a host in Calendly, taking you through the process step by step. I hope you found this guide helpful and you feel more comfortable managing your Calendly events moving forward. Happy scheduling, and I'll see you in the next video.